Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 162, 162 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أفمن اتبع رضوان الله كمن باء بسخط من الله ومأواه جهنم أفمن اتبع Hamza is very sharp. There should be hums, very clear hums. Ma is short. Neat for kasra give e sound and attach with ta. Ta is a very sharp sound. Neat ta is short. Fatha is short. Open your jaws for fatha. Ba a from your throat. Rid for kasra give e sound. Attach with dot will get sifa of raqawa. Rid wa will be 2 counts long. Nallahi, keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Ridwanallahi, he is short, ka short, and light, ma short. Kamamba. Okay, so there is a club. And in a club, what we do? We change the sound of noon into meme, and we keep the sound in our nose. And there is gunna kamila there. Ba 4 counts long. Is very sharp. We are not merging this long vowel into hamza. No, there are 2 separate sounds of it. Ba b for kasra give e sound. Sa give a very sharp e sound. Of seen for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Sa kho is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Qim is heavy. And there is idgham with gunna. So that there will be akmal gunna. So give a nice time on this gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Bisa qimi for kasra keep e sound. Nallahi keep non light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Nallahi, he is short. Wa for vowels. The makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Wa ma for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with hamza. Hamza has shidda in it. So this shidda, this strong sound will stop the makhraj, will cut off the makhraj. The sound will cut off right away. Ma, wa, circle your lips for wow. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips and you're making it 2 counts long. Wa, hu, for the ma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Ja is short. There shouldn't be any sound of ch and jim. The sound of j is very strong. J, han. There shouldn't be any misty sound in ha. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. You'll keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Jahannam for open. For noon, for fatha, open your jaws on noon and then attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Nam. It will not be num. No, it's not num, but it's nam. You are opening the jaws well for fatha. Wa for wow, fatha, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. B for kasra give e sound. and Hamza has shidda in it, this the makhraj will cut off the sound right away. So the stop will be very sharp. Bi sel. There should be this snaky sound before fatha. Give s and then complete with fatha and attach with lam. Sel and give the wasat on lam. Ma short. Sleep. Make sod heavy and for kasra give e sound, but ra will be light here because you can see ya before it. Whenever you find ya before a sakin ra, you will make a ra light. So here the sound of ra will be light. Masir, and you will get tawassut on ra. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with ma, me will get sifa of the wasat. Hum, da is short. Ra is heavy. The sound is very short. Da, ra, ja, 2 counts long. Be careful, don't give the ch sound in jim. There is no ch in jim. Ja, dara, tun. This is hard, and you will give the wasat. Tun, for kasra give e sound, and ain should be from your throat very nicely. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight to create this light ikhfa. So this ikhfa will be light. Dal will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. And as you are stopping at the end, so you will give temporary sukoon on ha. So before temporary sukoon, you can see long vowel before it. So you will change it into 4 counts, and that is mad arad al-sukoon. Li'adallah. Wallahu. Keep waw light. For fatha, open your jaws. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before lafz jalala. Wallah. It is by default, it is 2 counts long. Hu for dhamma circle your lips. And for every dhamma, you are circling your lips. Be very, very careful about it. Ba is light. Sli, Sod is heavy. And for kasra give e sound, and it is 2 counts long. But sli, urum. This is iqlab. Okay, I can. This is iqlab. I and Q. Iqlab. So you are changing the sound of noon into meme. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. And that's it. This is iqlab. Basirum. E for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Yeah. Keep ya very light. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasat. And squeeze your throat well to create this ain sound. Yeah. Ma is short. And loon. You are giving temporary sukoon on noon. So give the wasat 2 on noon because it is with sukoon now. And you are changing the 2 counts long vowel into 4 because you are creating mad arad lis-sukoon here. هم درجات عند الله والله بصير بما يعملون. لقد, la is short, qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. قد, لقد, man for fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Man, no. Noon will be light, but la will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And you are making it 2 counts long because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. And ha for dhamma, circle your lips, and ha is very short. Manallahu. I for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Lal for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam, you get sifa of tawassut. Alal mu. For dhamma on meme, you're circling your lips. As soon you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position and the sound should be very sharp and very sharp. Mu, ni, for kasra give e sound. Ni, 2 counts long. Na, short. Mu, ni, na. E for kasra give e sound attached with that will get sifa of rakhava. And make sure you engage the right makhraj. Dal, and dal is pronounced from your tip of your tongue touching the edge of upper 2 teeth, frontal 2 teeth. In ba is short. From your throat for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Tha for fatha, open your jaws. Ba tha. Fi give hums before fa for kasra, and it is 2 counts long. Fi him for kasra give e sound attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Him ra is heavy for open your jaws. The sound is short. Su for dhamma, circle your lips, and it is 2 counts long. Lam idgham with gunna. رسولا من or kasra give e sound attached with noon gets sifa of tawassut. Min for fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp, and this is ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. So fu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Si for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Anfusihim. Yet, yeah, is very light for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ta will get sifa of hums. Yet, lu, 2 counts long. Hums. Lu is 2 counts long. For ain from your throat, the sound is very short. Lay, 2 counts long because this is harf lead. Alayhim for kasra give e sound attached with mim gets about tawassut. 2 counts long. The makhraj of hamza and the makhraj of alif is very different. These are 2 different things. So we are not merging them in, but showing both of them separately from a very clear sound of hamza and alif. First is hamza and then alif. Hamza is from your throat. Alif is from your jaw. Yeah. Ti. He. 2 counts long. Wow. For circle your lips. So fatha, open your jaws. You. Yeah is very soft. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Wa you. Zek. Za is buzzing sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with kaf. Zaki. There is no gap in between. Zek. So you are not giving hums. You are just attaching za with kaf. Zaki. 2 counts long. And keep kaf light. Him for kasra, keep e sound attached with mim gets sifa of tawassut. Him. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. You. Yeah is very light. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Wa you. Al. Ain should be from your throat very clearly. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Wa you. Al. Li for kasra, give e sound. This the sound the lam with kasra will be very short. Li. Mu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Hu. Ha should be from your lower part of your throat. The sound is very short and circling your lips very nicely. Hu. Mul for Dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mulki for kasra, give e sound. Ta is very sharp sound and it is 2 counts long. Ta ba for ba. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Wal for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Wal hik for kasra, give e sound. Attach with kaf, kaf will get sifa of hums. And kaf will be light. Hik ma is short. Ta is very sharp. And for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ma ta wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ing, this ikhfa is the ink one. So as you are about to say ink, ing, and the ikhfa is light, so your tongue will be straight when you are saying ikhfa. Wa in ka 2 counts long. No, 2 counts long. Circle your lips very nicely. Ming, this is ikhfa, which is heavy, and because qaf is among heavy letters, and you are lifting your tongue very nicely. Ming, when you are pronouncing this ikhfa, your tongue should be uplifted, and you're keeping the sound in your nose, and you're not pronouncing the sound of noon and going towards the makhraj of the next coming up letter. Min qablu for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba, ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qablu for dhamma, circle your lips. La short. Fi 2 counts long. Dha for fatha, open your jaws. The dot is heavy. The la, keep light, and it is 2 counts long. The la dim idgham with gunna, keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lim for the circle your lips and for creating a mad arid sakun, you are giving temporary sakun here on noon. So temporary sukun of noon is calling tawassut here. So you are creating tawassut and you are changing this 2 counts long into 4 counts long vowel. Mubin. لقد من الله على المؤمنين إذ بعث فيهم رسولا من أنفسهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين. Hamza is very sharp. For vowel, circle your lips. For fatha, open your wa lam. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with mim, mim and get sifa up gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give a nice time here. Lam ma 4 counts long because this is mat munfasil. Jaiz. Hamza is very sharp from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Sad is heavy, it is 2 counts long. But for fatha, open your jaws. For ba is very sharp, but as you will touch ta will give you there should be hums on ta. But kum for dhamma, circle your lips, and this is idgham shafi because after mim sakin you can see mim again, so you are merging one mim into another, and this is called idgham shafawi. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is very short. Sli 2 counts long. Ba short. Tum This is idgham, ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy. So you are keeping the tongue up. So how you create a heavy ikhfa? By lifting your tongue simply. So musiba qad. For qaf is heavy, for fatha open your jaws. Sound of qaf is heavy, short, but you are creating qalqala on dal and keep dal light. Because of qaf, you are not making dal heavy. Qad, qad. Hamza is very sharp, and fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Sad. Sad is heavy. For fatha open your jaws. Attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Sad. Tum. For dhamma on ta, you are circling your lips. And again, idgham shafawi is here. So there will be akmal gunna. So give a nice gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Asab tum. For kasra, give e sound. Don't drop this kasra sound while you are attaching with the coming up letter. Mith, and tha will get rakhawa. Mith, the sound of tha should flow very nicely. Mith, lay, 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. Ul, for qaf is heavy, for dhamma circle your lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa tawassut. Ul, tum, for dhamma circle your lips attached with mim, mim will get sifa tawassut. And hamza is very sharp, for fatha open your jaws attached with noon, noon will get sifa up. Akmal gunna, and it is 2 counts long too after that. So first you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time, and then it is 2 counts long. Na, ha, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long. Ul, qaf is heavy, for dhamma circle your lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa tawassut. Ul, hu, for dhamma circle your lips. The sound of ha is very short, but it should be from the lower part of your throat very nicely. Hu, wa, for waw circle your lips. The fatha is short. Hu, wa, min, idhar, with tawassut. Always, whenever there is idhar, there is a sifa of tawassut. Min, ain, for ain should be from your throat, middle part of your throat, and for kasra give e sound. And there is ikhfa, and this is ikhfa is light. D, dal is very sharp, and for kasra give e sound, the sound is very short. Hamza, this is ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. So we are keeping the sound, the tongue very straight, keeping the sound in your nose, and what else? We are not pronouncing the sound of noon. Fu, for dhamma circle your lips, and for fa give nice hums. Si, for kasra give e sound. Kum, for dhamma circle your lips, attach with me, we will get sifa tawassut. In, hamza is very sharp, for kasra give e sound, and no, attach with no, noon will get sifa of akmal gunna. In, and then it is attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. In, now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. Okay. Inna Allah, ha is short. Ain from your throat. Squeeze your throat well. La, 2 counts long. Ala, kul, for kaf, the circle your lips. For the circle your lips. Attach with lam. When you are attaching with lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kulli, for kasra give e sound. Shay, it is 2 counts long because this is madleen. Sorry, harfleen. This is yailin. Shay, in. This is ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So lift your tongue up to pronounce ikhfa heavily. Shay'in, qaf is for fatha open your jaws. D, 4 counts long, and ra will get sukoon. So when there is ra with sukoon and you can find ya before it, so ra will be light. Qadir, and with tawassut. أولما أصاب مصيبة قد أصبتم مثليها قلتم أن هذا قل هو من عند أنفسكم إن الله على كل شيء قدير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.